job if you're handsome.
Ha? Aha. Aha.
Okay. Where's that tour guide?
Me.
Ah, okay.
By the way, don't forget my name. My name is Sam. And our driver name is Kuya Nino. Thank you for visiting me today. Kaya wala kayo. Well, ayos ko Tagalog po. Without you, without you, have a job. So we love you very much. We do everything to make you happy.
Yes. I'm here. Aha.
The one in Patahan.
Matagal na po.
Kagabi lang. Nalimutan ko yung stick ko, mamaya dadaling ko.
Mga paint.
Koskol. Neresi Koskol? Koskol yani biz dünya bekliyoruz.
Pasok na siya dito, ma'am. Sila na muna tayo. Bantan ka. Kasi may re-recommend naman. Saan? Yung mangga na yan, ma'am, tinanim yan para pag nalaglag yung bunga, wala. Okay. So, what you do? Kasi mamaya maniwala ka. Oh, would you like to take a video first before we go inside?
Yes.
There we go. Video. Ito na pala.
Videographer.
Up, I go first. Yung,
you go first?
yung ulo kasi.
Okay, go.
Importante ulo, hindi napapalitan. Ang puso pwede.
Ay.
Early
Alright.
20th century.
Ready, guys?
Yeah, we're right with you.
Okay.
for the video?
Yes. Oh, put your head.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Yung ulo
Okay.
Siya, ibaba mo yung paa mo, boss. Your head, mama.
Patrice, careful.
Okay. Up. Up. Stand up. Up. Your head, ma'am.
What's that?
Up. Careful. Your head.
Hindi na lang pala, or 11 lang ako.
Swerte nyo. Lamang tayo. Kaya yung mas proud na Pilipino.
Okay, what's your No, one down.
One down. Yung ulo, ma'am. Ang ulo din napapalitan.
Okay, safe.
Bait ni sir. Lahat talaga nurse to.
Oy, watch out.
Hapon, bayaan mo na si ma'am. Oh, yeah. Your head, sir. Ay!
Wow. Dungeons.
This is a torture area.
Wow.
As I said, we use what? Bayonet. In Spain, they call it bayoneta. In English, bayonet. But same. Nice. Okay? Watch your head.
Ay, sobrang tangkad naman.
Siyempre, matanggal ako.
Okay.
Women and children killed by bayonet. Who killed?
Japanese.
Nationality. What is the nationality? Japanese.
Oo,
Japanese.
Japanese ka?
Same
May
in
ballots na.
Manila, of Manila. This is 1945 World War II. Look.
Oh my God. Sad.
Look.
I know.
Crack pa yung head, no?
Many Filipinos sacrificed themselves to protect this country. What happened now? If you go to school, you do not teach what Japanese do.
Oh my God.
Again, backward never, forward forever. We love each other. But always remember, love has a limit. We are representing to other. Manila Massacre. You believe, ma'am, na may multo talaga dito? Yung kay Ed Galawag? Yung nakakadena nila. This is Iki-MDS mo pa.
Oh, sino gusto mo ito ng 10 p.m.?
Let's go. I'm going.
10 p.m.
Oh, sad.
do light tour here?
Meron po rito ma'am, pang night tour.
May multo talaga.
I'm going tonight.
Wait, night tour, let's go. What time does the night tour start?
Yes ma'am, kung sino po yung mag-i-engage nyo ma'am.
Okay, what's your name?
Asan kung binanggay ko? Japanese.
I have goosebumps right now. Sad. So sad.
Except San Agustin Church,
only one tower. Until 1945, before 1574, until 1945, they did not renovate.
This is when you wear your mask.
Medyo mainit kasi ng mga tunnel. Mamaya labas natin aircon kasi open.
See, please wear your mask.
Okay, we go to another place, always watch your step.
Ano daw meron dito? The torture. Look at those. Sweet.
Tayong dalawa.
Picture ma'am, picture.
Until now, di pa It's the only universe that is open to us. Next one is the construction is up about 98%, only 1 degree to survive.
For Ben.
Ah.
Wow.
Ayan, totally black man kasi dati po.
What's wrong?
That is connected to the river.
Ano po daw nangyari dun?
Connected to the river.
To the river.
Yeah.
Oh.
After the
So may baha dito?
Yeah, they throw it there.
Wow.
Anyway, just make sure that that's the name of my consultant.
Oh, di ba? Tama sinabi ko, mahangin.
That's so cool.
Yes, why? Because Filipinos badly love sweet meat. And that's why even our spaghetti, we are using banana flecha. That's why it's sweet. So you better try chocolate. Okay? So this time, let's go on.
Look,
More.